Stuck with only one testimonial on your Namecheap site? Learn how to add another in under a minute. It's a really common problem. You build this beautiful website. You've got that testimonial section ready to go. But you look at it and there's just one. And it looks a little bare, right? It doesn't really show off all the great feedback you've been getting. I've seen this happen so many times when people are working in the Namecheap builder. You know you have more happy customers. You just need to find that button. Well, that button is there, and I'm going to show you exactly where to click in the Namecheap editor to add a new testimonial. Let's dive in. All right, so to get started, you need to open up your Namecheap website builder. You're going to want to be on the screen where you can see your site's pages. This is usually your main dashboard or the editor view itself. Just go ahead and get to that page where your testimonial section already exists. That is step one, just getting into the right spot. Now, here is the part that trips most people up. You're looking at that single testimonial, and you're probably trying to find a small plus sign or a menu option. But in the Namecheap builder, it's much simpler than that. Look directly on the testimonial section itself. You should see a button, or maybe a text link, that says something like, Add another testimonial. Go ahead and click on that. That's your ticket. It's right there in plain sight. You just might have missed it because it blends in with the design. So you've clicked that button, and now a new panel or a pop-up window is going to appear. This is the Namecheap editor asking you to confirm the action. All you need to do here is look for a Continue button, or maybe it says Add, depending on your version. Just click that button. See, that was the hard part, and it only took one click. And now you're in. This is the fun part. You'll see a fresh, blank testimonial waiting for you. This is where you get to take control. You can edit the text of the testimonial, of course, and you'll want to add the name of the person who gave it, maybe even a title or a company name if the builder allows it. Just type in whatever feedback you want to showcase. Take your time here, because this is what builds that trust with your visitors. All right, you have your new testimonial looking perfect. Now, here is the most important step that I see people forget all the time. You have to save your work. Look for a Save button, usually in the top right corner of the editor. Sometimes it's cleverly hidden in a menu. Click that. The Namecheap builder will process it and lock in your changes. I can't stress enough how important it is to actually hit Save before you leave the page. Now that it's saved, let's see how it looks. Preview your website. You should see your new testimonial right next to the old one. It fills out the page so much better, doesn't it? If everything looks good, go ahead and publish your site. That will push the new testimonial live for everyone to see. And just like that, your site went from looking a little sparse to having genuine social proof. Now you know exactly how to do it, so you can add as many as you want.